Hello, my name is Johannessen. I'm an artist who make a lot of books. In some books there is text and picture, some is only picture, and some is only text. So I work in different ways. I will show you a few books. This one is called About the Chocolate Cake. Here I have text and I make some illustrations and I tell a story about chocolate cake. How it entered the everything and what it's doing and the different one that's around the chocolate cake and how it change and how become what needs to become a chocolate cake, and then in the end the plan the chocolate cake have for the future. This was book number 16 in the series. Some of them I translate into English. The last one is called About the Everything. Here I present the different concept I had in all these books. So it's like for each page I present one of the concepts I worked with through all those books. So it's about how things are and how things change and move, and time, and how we think about these things, and the stories we make about these things. This was the 19th and the last book. Now I started a new series, which I call the Transparent series. This is the first one, it's called The Humble Lecture. Then there is some photos printed on tracing paper. So the pictures kind of go through the paper and mix with other picture. And the last book I will show is a text collection, is called As. I will read a few texts from this book. In the same way as the wind comes towards you, touches you and leaves you, you come towards the wind, touch it and leave it. In the same way as you are surrounded by stars, you are the insignificant. In the same way as real thinking takes place when your head is empty, the landscape inside you is larger than the landscape outside you. In the same way as the tree will never forget the seed, the direction of all that is inwards.